To set up long service leave in Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Open Xero and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Payroll Settings. From the Xero dashboard, click on Payroll in the top menu, then go to Payroll Settings under the Settings section. Set up leave types. In the Leave Types section, click Add Leave Type. Select long service leave from the available options or create a custom leave type for long service if it's not listed. Configure leave settings. Name the leave type. Set the accrual rate according to your legal obligations. In Australia, LSL is usually 8.67 weeks after 10 years of service. Choose how the leave will accrue, either by hours or days. Assign to employees. Go to Payroll, Employees, select an employee and navigate to the Leave section. Assign the long service leave type to the employee's leave entitlements, ensuring their accrual is correctly tracked. Track and pay LSL. When an employee takes long service leave, create the pay run as usual and add the long service leave pay item. Xero will automatically calculate the payment based on the employee's entitlements.